Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mommy and Little Chef RR. Yeah, the Little Chef RR has changed. The main boy is in school and he is helping me. I'm going to help Mama. Good job. Show them. Say good job. Yeah. Yeah. So today we are making a non-veg dish. Of course, chicken. It's super easy and super delicious. When I say that, I don't know what to name this dish. You can see it. This is with less ingredient, less spices, and less time. Yeah. Yes, you can watch me and you can do this. Yeah. And this dish is also foreigners approved. Yeah. So if you have foreigners guests coming over to your place, I'm telling this to my Indian friends. Yeah. So yeah, this is easy to go, and trust me, this will turn out really well. Yes. So I did this a few days ago, and yeah, it turned out well, and I can't hold the excitement to show you what I'm making today. So let's start. So here we got chicken, the breast piece. So I'll just cut it into, not very small cube. So what we're going to do is we have to mince this chicken. Little bit of this is Kashmiri Lal Mirch. Yeah, so it doesn't have that much chili effect. So yeah, just a little bit. And this is garam masala. Just a pinch. Can you show them? So how to eat dahi? Ridu, how to eat dahi? Come on, eat it with a spoon. No, not with. That's also good. And now the most important. If you have a charcoal, yeah, so burn it on your gas or stove, just like this here.